Hi everyone, my name is Mike and I'm back with another weekly tech tip video. Before I get started with this week's tip, do me a huge favor, click on the subscribe button below this video and give us a thumbs up. And while you're at it, leave a comment letting us know how much you enjoy these regular tech tip videos. Now, on to this week's tech tip. Well, I'm sure you've noticed that hotels, restaurants, manufacturing facilities, service providers, businesses of all shapes and sizes, almost every industry across the country is struggling to find great people. We're hiring signs are everywhere. This shortage of skilled professionals is also hitting the IT industry. Organizations, large and small, are struggling to find great people to fill their job vacancies. Deficiencies exist in all IT disciplines such as networking, cybersecurity, programming, and more. This is where we come in. If you're having difficulty filling that job vacancy for a help desk professional or a senior network administrator, we can help. We offer a wide range of services from part-time or fractional services right up to full-time placement of systems engineers and other technology professionals. As your managed IT services company, we're here to fill the gaps and work with you to ensure that you have the IT skills and IT services your organization needs. Want to discover more about how we can help you fill those vacant positions on your IT team? Reach out to us through our website or give us a call. Together, we can figure the right solution to meet your business IT needs. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tech Tip video, and don't forget to subscribe below.